Now that we've learned what all the simple machines are, it's time for us to review. So in this lesson, students will review the 6 types of simple machines. First thing, we'll start off by playing a game. To play the game, click on the star. This is attached to a very useful internet website called edheads.com. This has a whole neat interactive section on simple machines. It starts with students can either play things in the house or the tool shed. The tool shed is compound machines, whereas we'll go back. Whereas the house is simple machines. We'll start with the house. Students then pick which room they'd like to identify. We'll start in the garage.
I just bought the car, so try not to get any scratches on it, alright? Have a look around and try to find and identify all 10 simple machines.
So we'd start off here.
Start.
Then students would need to click on something they think is a simple machine. It says, what does a flagpole let you do? Then they would click on the answer. It tells you if you're correct. If you're not, it lets you choose again. What type of simple machine is the flagpole? If it's correct, it clicks correct. If not, and this is a quick, just kind of quick assessment on how students are doing. And then this is the part I really like. It then gives a little mini review. The flagpole uses a pulley to raise and lower a flag. It's attached to a rope which runs over the pulley. The rope is pulled down to raise the flag with the effort and load labeled. So a fun way, I also have this attached to the website so students can go on and practice this at home. So they could go to different parts of the house, do different simple machines to practice. Next, students at their seat are going to be working on the review and test prep, which has them, it's kind of like a study guide, which they'll use before their test, and I have it scanned in. Then, as a quick assessment, there's these, it's called the Centio, and what they are, it's little handheld little devices where students can click A, B, C, or D, and then I have the data right in my computer, so it's a quick quiz. If you don't have the Centio, you can also have students use whiteboards and hold up the answer, A, B, C, or D, or you could have them use fingers, 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C, or 4 for D, and hold up for the answer, or you could just have a student come up and circle. So the first question is the point on which a lever is supported and turns is the, then students would have to circle the answer. Also with the graphics, they're interactive. More questions? So 10 review questions, which really helps for students to do a quick assessment how they're doing before the test. For the next activity, students have to drag the picture into the box for the simple machine. So they would just pull down the picture and then they would match it to the correct category. For the next activity, students would have to decide, is it a simple machine, not a simple machine, or they're not sure which one they put in the middle. Then we'd have to talk about it again. Again, you have the visuals, and we could talk about what each simple machine is as students come up. They drag it into the correct category on the Venn diagram. That's my review lesson.